Hello, friends. If you love clear, easy English, you're in the right place. Let's begin. Learning English is a journey, not a sprint. Begin by asking yourself why you want English. A clear reason keeps you motivated. Write your reason on paper and read it daily. Set a big goal, like speak confidently in 6 months. Break the goal into small weekly targets. For example, learn 10 new words every day. Create a personal vocabulary notebook. Divide each page into word, meaning, and example. Review old words every weekend. Use flashcards to test yourself quickly. Digital apps make flashcards easy to carry. Listen to English sounds every morning. Start with children's songs and simple stories. Repeat what you hear to train your tongue. Record your voice on your phone. Compare your sound with native speakers. Do not fear mistakes. They are friendly teachers. Speak aloud even when you are alone. Describe your room in English while you clean. Watch short YouTube videos with subtitles. First read with your eyes, then listen with eyes closed. Shadow the speaker by copying rhythm and intonation. Pause the video and imitate each sentence. Read graded readers at your level. Graded readers give simple vocabulary and clear plots. Read a chapter twice, once for understanding, once for details. Highlight new phrases instead of single words. Phrases show how words live together. Keep a diary in English every night. Write about your day in 5 simple sentences. Check grammar with free online tools. Turn corrections into learning points. Join an online English community. Ask questions and answer others politely. Helping others also helps you remember. Find a language partner who shares your level. Speak for 15 minutes every day on video call. Choose one topic before the call to stay focused. Give each other gentle feedback. Celebrate small victories with your partner. Use English in real life as soon as possible. Order coffee in English if the cafe staff allows. Label objects in your house with sticky notes. Seeing words often moves them into long-term memory. Switch your phone settings to English. Your daily tools become free teachers. Listen to English podcasts while traveling. Start with slow speech podcasts for learners. Increase speed gradually as your ears adapt. Repeat difficult lines until you can follow naturally. Sing English songs in the shower. Lyrics teach slang and rhythm. Search for the song text and study new expressions. Practice pronunciation with tongue twisters. Tongue twisters exercise mouth muscles. Use the International Phonetic Alphabet chart online. The chart shows exact mouth positions. Learn common collocations like make a decision. Collocations make your English sound native-like. Study basic grammar, but avoid overthinking rules. Learn one rule, then use it in 10 sentences. Grammar becomes natural through practice. Take monthly progress tests. Tests reveal strengths and weak spots. Treat weak spots as treasure maps for growth. Watch English movies with English subtitles first. Later, watch without subtitles to check comprehension. Pause and replay scenes you miss. Keep a list called Movie Phrases I Love. Review the list before sleep. Sleep helps memory consolidate new language. Eat well and rest so your brain works sharply. Short, regular study beats long, rare sessions. 10 minutes every hour is better than 1 hour weekly. Turn boring waiting time into micro lessons. Read news headlines in English each morning. Use simple news websites for learners. Compare the English article with one in your native language. Notice different word choices and structures. Play word games like crosswords or word searches. Games keep learning fun and light. Teach someone else what you learned today. Teaching forces you to clarify your ideas. Attend a local English club or meetup. Face-to-face talks build confidence quickly. Prepare a short introduction about yourself. Ask open questions to keep the conversation flowing. Learn cultural references along with language. Knowing jokes and customs makes you relatable. Keep a growth mindset at all times. Say, I can improve instead of I am bad. Compare yourself only with your past self. Track hours studied, not just months passed. Reward yourself after every 50 study hours. A small gift keeps spirits high. Use spaced repetition software for vocabulary. Spaced repetition shows words right before you forget. Review sessions feel easy yet powerful. Reflect monthly on methods that work best. Remove activities that give little result. Double activities that push you forward. Visualize future you speaking English freely. Visualization guides your subconscious efforts. Read simple articles about topics you love. Passion makes difficult words easier. Join forums on your hobbies and write posts. Stay polite and grateful for corrections. Practice listening to different accents. Start with American and British. Later explore Australian, Indian, and African English. Accept accent differences as beautiful diversity. Focus on being clear, not perfect. Smile while speaking. It improves tone. Use hand gestures to support meaning. Watch your body language in a mirror. Keep English quotes on your wall for inspiration. My favorite quote is, "Practice makes progress." Remember that consistency beats talent. Keep going and English will become your second skin.